Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest update from Photoshop Beta Adobe Firefly. This update is packed with amazing AI features that will take your image editing to the next level. From generating images to enhancing details, we've got it all covered. So let's jump right in. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and tips. Alright, let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, let's talk about the Adobe Firefly Image 3D model feature. This AI tool allows you to create stunning 3D models from scratch. It's perfect for adding that extra dimension to your projects. To get started, open Photoshop Beta. If you are in Windows, press Ctrl plus O, or if you are in Mac, press Command plus O. This will open the Firefly tool. Select the area where you want to add the 3D model. Then type Add Baby in the Generative Fill box and click on Generate. Watch the magic happen. You will see the three variations of baby. Select that you like. I have selected this. It's look great. So you can add any image like this, as I added cactus on table and toy on floor. Next up, let's generate an image. This feature allows you to create an entirely new image based on your descriptions. It's incredibly powerful and intuitive. To generate an image, open a new blank document and go to the Generate Image tab. Describe what you want and let the AI do the rest. For example, I described a modern house in the countryside with a swimming pool and the reflection of a cat. It's that easy. You'll have a unique image in seconds. You can also change any other object by selecting it. For instance, I want to change the cat here, so I select the cat and add the text prompt add crane. Now, let's talk about the reference image feature. This is perfect for when you have a specific look or style in mind. Reference image is another new feature of Generative Fill. Start by opening a new image. In this image, the photographer has a camera bag on her back. First, we need to select the bag with any selection tool. I've selected the bag with the object selection tool. Just need to refine the selection. Next, download an image that you want to use as a reference. I've downloaded this image of a bag with red lines. In the Generative Fill contextual bar, click on the reference icon, select the reference image, and click Generate. The bag will be converted according to the reference. You'll get three variations to choose from. Select the image you like best. If you are not satisfied, you can generate again and again until you find the perfect match. Moving on, we have the adjustment brush. This tool gives you precise control over your edits. Whether you're enhancing details or making subtle changes, the adjustment brush is your best friend. Select the brush by pressing B on both Windows and Mac. Choose your settings and paint away. After selecting the new adjustment brush, select the area you want to adjust. For example, I've selected the face of a girl with the object selection tool. You can see a new adjustment layer is created, allowing you to adjust the hue or saturation. You can also change any adjustments from the contextual bar, such as curves or levels. For example, I selected the background designs. You can see a new adjustment layer created, and I am changing the color. This way you can create levels of skin or subject contrast. You can add or remove the effect by using the brush on the mask. This gives you complete control over your edits, ensuring every detail is just right. Another fantastic feature is Generate Similar. This allows you to create variations of an image with just a click. When you create an AI generated image in Photoshop, you will get 3 variations. For example, I created a flower and received 3 variations. I selected the yellow flower. If you want more variations similar to the yellow flower, click on the 3 dots of the selected variation and choose Generate Similar. You'll see 3 new variations similar to the yellow flower. You can repeat this process for any other variation you like. Need a new background? No problem. The Generate Background feature has you covered. After opening an image, click on Remove Background first. For this example, I opened an image of coconut oil. As a product photographer, I want to add props or effects according to advertising photography. So I added the text prompts water and coconut. However, the results were very artificial. I changed a few text prompts but still didn't get the desired result, so I tried again. This image I like the most, but it looked warm, so I created a hue and saturation adjustment layer on the background layer and reduced the saturation. To keep more cool, I have created a photo filter adjustment layer and select the blue filter to cool the image. It's look better. However, I still wanted to add a coconut, which was missing. I selected a new area where I wanted to add the coconut and generated the image by typing add coconut. 3 variations appeared and I selected this one. By adding the coconut, a small issue was created which you can remove by using the brush tool on the Generative Fill mask. It's okay, these small adjustments help perfect the image. Finally, let's enhance some details. This AI tool sharpens and improves your image with just a few clicks. To enhance details, first create an AI image. I selected an area on this image and typed to add a butterfly. After creating and selecting the butterfly variation, I zoomed into the butterfly area and clicked the new icon that you can see on the top left side of the variation thumbnail. However, it mentioned that the variation is too small to enhance, so I selected a bigger area this time. After creating and selecting the new, larger image, I repeated the same steps. This time, the process completed successfully. I zoomed into the image, but I didn't notice any change. Perhaps this feature works under different conditions, or it is still in need of improvement. After all, it's a beta option. Let's see how it evolves when it comes to the original version. And there you have it, folks. The latest Photoshop beta update with Adobe Firefly is a game changer. From generating images to enhancing details, these AI tools make editing faster and more creative than ever before. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Subscribe for more tips, tricks.